YouTube. Let's see what we've got here today. A Kleenex bottle. Well, I hope it hasn't been used. Oh, I think it has. From the side. I don't like the idea of having a Kleenex box here. I have no intention of using it again. Some newspaper. That's it. Let's see what's in here. Oh, that's well wrapped. Looks like a little Lima engine. All the sellotape. Let's free the locomotive, and here we go. Beautiful little Lima shunter. The metal looks brittle, but it's not completely broken. The railing here, this metal is still intact. Looks as if it should be working. The only thing which is missing is coupling here. Well, let's put it on the test track and see whether it's working or not. Test track. Switch the test track on. Test track is working. That's good. And here we go. Not much life in this locomotive. That's a bit frustrating, but let's see what we can do.